All right, for problem number 61, it says that you're looking to make a clay structure that's a rectangular prism. Okay, so a rectangular prism, just a box shape. And then it tells you you want the height and width to each be 5 inches less than the length. Okay, so if you were to say that the length is x, that means that each of the other dimensions is going to be 5 less than that. So x minus 5 and x minus 5 would be the other two dimensions. That gives you length, width, and height. Okay? And then it asks you what will the dimensions of this be. So if you take the volume for this, since you have a specific volume of clay, is length times width times height. So if you plug in these values of x, x minus 5, and x minus 5, and you set it equal to the amount that they told you you had, which was 250, you can use the solve feature of your calculator for that. So here, if we go the F2 algebra tab, plug in 250 is equal to, now let me talk about this. I'm entering it incorrectly here to show just really quickly what your calculator will display, because I'm guessing some of you might have gotten the error symbol on this. Okay, notice if I hit enter here, it tells me it's invalid implied multiplication. Okay, because right here, it knows when you're multiplying between parentheses, but the easiest thing, or the specific thing that it does not see, is when you start with a variable and then put a parentheses, it thinks that you're still talking about the variable itself. So you want to put explicit multiplication symbols between here and here in order to ensure that your calculator will display it correctly. So here, when you do that, you get x to be 10. So once you get x is 10, each of these is 5 less than that, so 5 and 5 would be your dimensions. And so the length is 10, the width and the height each are 5.